look here. Look here. High five. Thank you. I am so hungry. It's 5:30 and I did not eat today.
그게 그거예요? 싸이월드? 맞아. 우리 아니가? 아니 이거 사실상 우리 셋 했어. 그래. 난이도 좋. 바보대로 편안하게 했어. 편안하게 바보대로.
Now I'm just working on my schedule. I feel like I need at least 1 or 2 days out of the week to just sit down and figure out my schedule for like the next 3 or 4 weeks. I like to have everything planned. I like to have it just to like feel safe and just so I can like follow something. And now I'm gonna go shower and wash my body because I already washed my hair after Pilates class. After I shower, I probably have to do a little bit of work that I didn't finish and just clean the rest of my room. I have to watch the new episode of the Lawyer Woo thing on Netflix. Oh my god, it is so fun. So I still have to remove my makeup and do my skincare, but before doing that, I wanted to introduce you to today's sponsor, which is B.Glen. I'm super excited to show you my current skincare routine. I'm in love with it. I personally noticed a great difference after using this. I started off using their trial set a few months ago and I fell in love. It made my skin very smooth and bright. First up, we have the clay wash. This is their face wash. It's very gentle, good for sensitive skin, but it also does a good job removing all the dirt, oil, and leftover makeup you might have without leaving your skin dry. I never thought that cleanser was an important step in my skincare routine. I always just used anything I had on hand, but recently I realized it does make a huge difference. It's basically the first part of your skincare routine and it sets the base for your serums, moisturizers, toners, everything that comes after. And it's so important to fully remove your makeup and set that base clean and fresh. Next, we have the Q-Some lotion. It comes in a bottle like this. Considering that it's lotion, it's actually very watery. I thought it was toner at first, but it's very moisturizing. It provides up to 17 hours of hydration and skin barrier protection. This is so powerful, like it makes my skin so moisturized. Next, we have the C serum. It comes in a little tube like this. This is the Skin Rejuvenating Serum, which is also their best seller. This serum is a concentrated yet gentle formula that brightens dark spots, reduces the appearance of acne scars, and protects the skin from free radical damage. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I do have like little sunspots on my skin, so I always like to focus on lightening them and brightening up my overall complexion. And after using this, I definitely notice a difference in my sunspots. Like my skin is just much brighter. Next up is the Q-Some Power Bright Serum. It comes in this bottle like this. This serum reduces visible hyperpigmentation and brightens your overall complexion. So after brightening up my dark spots with the C serum, I would apply this to brighten up my overall complexion. This will literally give you that glowy glass skin look. The past year, I was just so stressed and my sleep schedule was not that great, so I would have really bad skin. I would have texture on my skin, and I never get pimples, but I would just like get random pimples out of nowhere. Literally, this saved my skin. It feels so smooth, and even my family, they're like, what did you do to your skin? But anyways, next up we have the Q-Some Moisture Rich Cream. It comes in this bottle. This is an advanced anti-aging night cream with a rich texture. I love how their products are all about brightening up the skin and moisture, which is all I need in my skincare routine. Those two are the only things I look for in products because they're my main skin concerns. And the best part is they have a 7-day trial kit. Oh my god, this is the one I tried at first, and it says 7 days, but I used it for more than 7 days, so you definitely get your money's worth. It's originally $20, but using my discount link, you can get it for $10 off, which is only $10 for this whole kit. It's crazy. It's definitely worth a try. I just love how you can just try it out before committing to the full-size products, and you can also see like which products are good for you, which are not. The link will be down below in the description.